Yeah, tell them the chicken wings special. And this time, make sure that they hold the salt, because last time it was a little bit too salty, okay? I'm trying to watch my blood pressure. All right, babe? All right, I'll see you when you get here. Hey, what's up, tubers? Hey, tune in because you definitely want to watch this one. Let's get down to what's important. Today is about 5 haircuts that drive women crazy. That's what it's all about, right? Driving the ladies crazy, getting that little tingle sensation. The first haircut that drives women crazy is a fade. Woo! The fade represents confidence. It represents I care about myself. It represents I'm a man's man. Ladies, come to me. When you have a nice, fresh fade and you walk around and you see women, they like, ooh, ooh, that's a good haircut. The second haircut that drives women crazy is the Mohawk. Now, we got the classic Mohawk by Mr. T. The Mohawk has changed a little bit throughout time. Now we got the Mohawk where it's faded on the side. Mohawk is classic, it's stylish. You can wear it to work, school. Some of your favorite athletes, James Harden, loves the Mohawk. He wears it all the time. I wish I could shoot like him, but that's another subject. I rode the bench in high school. I remember back in the day when I used to have a Mohawk, man, I used to have to beat the women off me with a stick. You ever had to beat a woman off you with a stick? I was like, ha, 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 get off me, ladies, ha, ha. I'm trying to enjoy a date with my lady, ha, ha, ha. I know this is a big stick, but hey, that's Garrick Dixon. The third haircut is EvenSteven. Buzz cut, whatever you want to call it, but even all the way around. It really brings out the bone structure in your face. It represents boldness. The best part about an EvenSteven is a nice tight lineup, but sometimes you don't even need a shape up. Your natural hairline is good enough with an EvenSteven. The fourth haircut that drives the ladies crazy is a high fade. I like to give the high fade a little bit of danger. When you can get a curl sponge and you curl up the top, or you can get a gel or a pomade and you gel or spike the top. After you get your high fade from the barber, you might just look out the window of the barber shop and see ladies like, you walk out there like, hey ladies, what's up? I got my high fade, it's on. Which one of y'all wanna go out with me? You? Get that high fade. I promise you'll love it. The fifth haircut that drives the ladies crazy is the Combover. The dopest thing about the Combover is when you put that part in there. When you get that part and it's like it separates the good to the excellent. Ain't nothing like when you got a nice tight comb over and you put a little sheen in there, give it a little shine. It makes the women follow you like, what's your name? What's your name? I'm giving you 5 haircuts that drive the women absolutely crazy. But most importantly, a haircut is nice, but it's all about you. Remember this, you're special, you're smart, you're kind, and you're the man. Always be confident in yourself. Always walk around with that swag. You can do it. Forget that little voice in your head that says you can't do it. Just take that voice and smack it. You can do it. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. You can conquer this world. You know what? Matter of fact, let's conquer the world together. Hey man, I love all y'all. If nobody told you, I love you. And make sure that you subscribe to my page. But not only subscribe, hit that bell so every time I post, you will know that I posted something. As always, y'all have a good day, and let's make this life worth living. I'll see y'all next time.